2003 Chevy 2500 HD. Got the 6.0 liter V8 in it. It's got stock converters. And then we true dual it with 2.5 all the way back into 4-inch tips. Right there and right there. True dual all the way back. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. 7 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter V8. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then we did a true dual all the way back, 2.25, all the way, and you got to cross them there to even out the flow, as you guys can see. So when you take it to a muffler shop, make sure they cross them all the way back, out of the way, into mandrel bent tailpipes, right there, and right there. And then massive 6-inch tips right there and right there. It's gonna sound phenomenal. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Much better. That's why you always want a true dual. Much better. You like it? I love it. Anytime you want it really loud, you gotta go true dual. Costs more, but it's well worth it. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Good. 2007 Chevy Silverado. See you guys.